Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with the welcoming page, which just cycles through different languages, and you want to press on the start button right over here, find your desired language from the vast list of different languages, and then select next. Now this will allow you to insert a SIM card right here in order so you can connect to mobile network. Now this is a new device. You will be forced to connect to network, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. The choice is yours. So if you're not at home, probably you might want to pop in your SIM card right away. Now I have the luxury of skipping Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now on the next page we have some for your review, like end user license agreement, and yeah, that's about it. You don't need to agree to anything else. So if you don't need to, there is no point for you to do so. Anyway, moving on to the next page, we have easy setup with another device. This just allows you to quickly set up this device if you have other phone, presumably Galaxy. I think it uses their application, which basically allows you to transfer over the data. I am going to be setting it up on my own, so I'm going to select manually. Here's the Wi-Fi connection page, and like I mentioned, if this is a new device, you will not be able to skip it. I am, so that's what I'm going to do, hopefully. Yep, there we go. Now, because I did skip Wi-Fi connection page, I do get this page right here, which you will not if you connect it to Wi-Fi or mobile data. And this is just a date and time page, as without internet connection, the date and time isn't set automatically. So if it's incorrect, you can fix it up. Moving on to the next page, we have Google services, and we have things like location scanning and sending user and diagnostic data. Now you can toggle all of them off, but let's be honest, it's Google, so you don't know how much of this toggling off actually does. And next we have protect your phone. So here you can select protection to your device, and you have PIN, pattern, or password as a physical way of unlocking the device, along with fingerprint and face recognition. Now, with that being said, if you're planning to use any of the first two, which is face recognition or fingerprint, you will always be required to select PIN, pattern, or password. And the reason for that is if something would happen to your biometrics, meaning your face or your finger, or both, you would lose access to the device without something like PIN, pattern, and password, which isn't subject to change if something happens to your biometrics. Therefore, that's why it's forcing you to do so. Now, I'm not going to be selecting any kind of screen lock right here, so I'm going to skip anyway. Samsung service, permissions, yeah, no, I'm not permitting anything from Samsung. Obviously you can go over this, read exactly what these are and agree or disagree to them. Next we have choose your display mode, or aka theme. We have light and dark mode. I'm gonna stick with the light one. Give it a second. And now we can select finish, and this will now take us to our home screen. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.